That's all chicken for soup. Red bean soup with chicken.
Yeah. You don't know, say, I burn some already. So if you don't want to curry goat everything, you know, say, I own the place with it.
Curry goat already. Real ram goat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So real fireside style, I burn some of that, you know?
That's some brown stew fish.
Yeah, man, see brown stew fish there. Straight. Yeah, man.
I'm putting some fried chicken. And this is some brown stew pork.
See brown stew pork there? Yeah. Manners, you know? So you don't want to know food in the early morning if you come and own his place in a burn Savannah. Respect and one love, you know? Don't say a big chef this year. A long time you know the man here cook. So one love and one heart. Yeah, man.
French fries, some chicken.
Yeah.
Yes, man, can I say thing up on the roadside, I say?
Yeah, man.
Man.
You know, say a long time we are coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This dog chill for lap over to the beach.
Treasure Beach, same way. Yeah, man.
Right, man.
So now pass through taxi man them, Starline a car and burn Savannah. Own the place, you know? Yeah, man.
Big things.
Big things are going on.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir. Every day. You know, say.
Water, red pea soup, cold skin. So we deal with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. They go Father Jakes, you know?
Alright, sir.
Yeah, man, I come and breakfast every morning. Yeah, man. They go Father Santa Cruz.
Yeah, so you know what, big up nobody different in a burn Savannah.
Yeah, man, big up all kind of Starline that kind of massive them.
Yeah.
Big up Malaika Bar. Big up K. Marie and Andre. Big up Joy. Big up all like King Ghetto Crew. Man like Jakes. Big up Simba, Brent and them for the corner, yeah, so. Man like Zappy. Yeah, man like Sophie Constant. Big up all the workshop, man, them tenants are workshop. Sheldon workshop, Papa workshop crew.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself. You don't know, say. No want to lunch, you don't come and own it.
Everybody.
Yeah, man, one love and one heart, you know?
All the finger, the crew, compost lane. Have a place that, mountainside crew, same shit.
Yeah.
Flaggerman couldn't pass by, taxi man them. Hey, yeah.
Big up on yourself, you don't know, say, only again, a big up, you know?
Yeah, man.
Big chef in a burn Savannah.
Yeah,
ears,
man.
we know them man here cook. Ears,
Yeah,
ears.
Man.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself.
Piece sweet.
Yeah. Natural style, wood fire, you know?
Yeah, man.
Healthy for you, you know? Thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. So right now I'm in Burn Savannah at the Burn Savannah Sports Complex. So I'm gonna give you a tour of Burn Savannah district. I know in the Burn Savannah district a lot of farming take place, which you have a lot of tobaccos farm in Burn Savannah. And you're right, you have a Judith chill spot. So you all need to check out that area, Judith chill spot. And also on your left, you have the Marcia Bar and Grill. Yeah, man, just some true Jamaican vibes, you know? So enjoy the tour of Burn Savannah District, St. Elizabeth. So in Burn Savannah you have a lot of bars, a lot of corner shop and stuff. So everyone trying to do something. So that's a nice look. Also in Burn Savannah you have some toply rated mechanic like you call him Greg, and also a car mechanic, and also a bike mechanic, them call him Fiver. The man they know them thing, you know, so need to check out the mechanic. And also you have the Burn Savannah Motel, Bar and Restaurants. also you have past Curry Nix Knocks on your left. So you have a lot of bikers in Burn Savannah, and also a new bar open on your left, a sports bar. Never get the name, but it's a nice, attractive bar. So it's a bit overcast right now. But you still can see the beauty of Burn Savannah. You have also on the right, you have the Unique Express restaurant and develop a Devon House ice cream. Sorry about that. But in Burn Savannah you have a lot of entertainment, a lot. And also in Burn Savannah you have a pumping station that supply a lot of places in St. Elizabeth with water. So on your right, you have the pump house lane. And also on your right, you will see the pumping station. And I think it's 21 Riverhead. Meet up at that pumping station. As you see, we're having some weather today. Very overcast. So on your right, you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Burn Savannah. And we are very close to the Burn Savannah Primary School, which is on your right. And also on your left, you can get your cash pot there. And also you have Judith Sports Bar. So when you want to have your nice drink, you can stop at Judith Sports Bar in Burn Savannah, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, big up yourself, Malaika. And big up yourself, Judith, you know. Big up yourself, you know, so you don't have Burn Savannah alive, you know. Entertaining. Yeah, man. Also on your right, you have the Burn Savannah Primary School, and also you have the Burn Savannah Post Allegiance in Burn Savannah. Yeah, big up on yourself. And also have Oni Cook Shop. Yeah, you can get your from Mondays to Saturdays. You can get your curry goat, steamed fish. Every little thing you can get at that place. Yeah. Your breakfast in the morning, you get every little thing, so you don't need to check out Oni's place, you know? Yeah, man. General Oni. Yeah, man, so you need to check out right here, so get your freshly cooked food. Yeah, man, so you're chat through Burn Savannah district. And also you have your farm store. You can get all your chemicals and all your farm products, which is in about few seconds drive away from Oni's Cook Shop. So you all need to visit this place. It's a very nice area to visit. So you have your feed and your fertilizer. At K&A Reliable Farm Supplies and Varieties Store. So you all need to make a stop here and get your farm product when you're passing through Burnt Savannah district. Yeah, man. Telling about the country life, nothing cannot beat the country life, you know. No, many peoples all abroad want to come home, but they cannot come home right now, so just the vibes right now. Giving a tour of Burnt Savannah same way. Yeah, you know, so Burnt Savannah is my place. Nah, forget that place, none at all. No matter how far I go, I don't forget Burnt Savannah. I'm still not forget the country life, you know. Yeah, man. So where I'm at now, man, them call up here, so up the road. So you have two sections up the road and down the road. So where I'm at, I'm up the road. Yeah. So I'm supposed to know a sound system, them call him King Ghetto Sound. King Ghetto International. So you need to check out King Ghetto International. Very, very big sound, but because of the virus, you know, party kind of lockdown and stuff for it, so a lot of things have changed in everything, a lot of things, and a lot of bikers in the area too, so you gotta be careful when driving through Burnt Savannah district. See, we used to have a place that I'm calling him Up the Road Ball Ground. And every Sundays they used to have some different competition, different leagues. So on your left, them call up here, so the Up the Road Ball Ground. Yeah, man. Just the vibes in a Burnt Savannah, you know. You know, in Burnt Savannah, if you want your peanuts and your tobaccos, this is where you can get your tobaccos, a lot of tobaccos. So it's a farming community of tobaccos, peanut, corn, pumpkin, dasheen, everything you can think about. They farm it in Burnt Savannah. So on your left you have the Burnt Savannah Baptist Church, also the Burnt Savannah Clinic on your left. And on your left also you have the Ashanti Lane, the Ashanti Healing Temple, Zion on your left. And when you're in Burnt Savannah, it's about 7 minutes drive away to Santa Cruz, the shopping town of Burnt Savannah district. And also you have to pass Palmbrook Estate and also very close to Jamaica Zoo. Look at the beauty. So we're gonna get some rain today, and that's a blessing on the land. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, land we love. I think right where I'm at now, I think they call up here Old Pastor. About 6 seconds away from the Palmbrook Estate in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. So we are now approaching the Palmbrook area in Lacovia. So this is the Palmbrook Estate. So I'm just giving you a front view. You can check out my playlist. You would see the Palmbrook Estate video. And it's a nice estate, very big estate, which is you have phase 1, 2 and 3 and all sold out. So they are looking for a next piece of lot to do phase 4. So I will keep you all updated when that lot has completed. I will keep you all updated and tell you what's taking place, so you can keep on watching my channel for some more updates on the Palmbrook Estate at phase 4. And so when you're in Palmbrook Estate, it's just a few minutes away to the Jamaica Zoo. About 3 minutes away from the Jamaica Zoo. Many different types of animals over there. You have your lion, your parrot, your monkey, yeah, a lot more. Snake, you can name it. Buffalo. So on your right is the Jamaica Zoo. So it's a rainy day in Lacovia. destination would be at the Lacovia police station. So I want to thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So we're about a minute away from my destination. That would be the Lacovia police station. So right now I'm at stop. My destination at the Lacovia police station. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. And I have a lot more coming on the country life in Jamaica and in the country area. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now this is the Lacovia police station.